Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get souvenirs from the Harmony Awakens event in Heartopia. It is the collab with My Little Pony. It says, exchange Harmony energy gems for random My Little Pony souvenir badges. Collect them all for even more rewards. So I got 5 gems. I think you're able to get it from contributing energy. So as you can see, I have 5 of the elements. If I got the 6th one, I would have 6 gems to trade. So let's just draw one pack first. You're able to choose from these. So there is Shining, Nebula, and Rainbow Flower. Let's do this one. Actually, yeah, let's do the Rainbow Flower. Let's draw one pack and see what we get. Oh my god, yes! I got Fluttershy's glance. Where would we get it though? Would that be in our inventory? I'll be right back. So the badge will go to your furniture. So if you press your backpack, you'll see it in your backpack. As you can see, placement type, wall furniture, facade, building material. This is what it looks like. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.